Welcome back to the California Zephyr Adventure, Part 4. In the previous 3 parts, we've traveled from Chicago, Illinois, as far as Glenwood Springs, Colorado. If you missed those parts, be sure to check them out on the channel. Here in Part 4, we're going to travel from Glenwood Springs, through the Red Rocks region of western Colorado and southern Utah, and finally arrive in beautiful Salt Lake City, Utah. For the rest of the trip across Colorado, we'll be paralleling the Colorado River. After we pass through the beautiful Ruby Horse Thief Canyon on the Colorado-Utah border, the river will turn more south while the rail line turns more north, to head up across Soldier Summit toward Salt Lake City. Though the sun is not setting yet, the clouds create the effect of a sunset as we roll into Grand Junction, Colorado. The name refers to the junction of the Colorado River and the Gunnison River, though back in the day the town was an important railroad junction as well. The tracks we're traveling on were the Rio Grande's main line, and they had a branch line that split off from here to serve Montrose and Ridgway, Colorado, further south. Today, Grand Junction still has a yard for the Union Pacific Railroad, which is one of the places where they store many of their out-of-service locomotives. The BNSF Railway also runs a few trains a day on this line. The Grand Junction station is a picture of ruined grandeur, though it appears that construction work is happening on it, so perhaps it will look better in the future. We'll get a better look at the station on the way back to Chicago. As we leave Grand Junction, the sun is getting lower over Colorado National Monument, the ridge that we see off to the south of the track. The evening light casts beautiful colors on the already colorful rocks. There's still plenty of light as we enter Ruby Horse Thief Canyon. I'd never heard of it before this trip, but a local that we met in the dining car during lunch told us to keep an eye out for it, and I'm glad she did. There's no road through this canyon, just the railroad. That and a few campgrounds are really the only human presence. It's real wilderness, complete with a bald eagle soaring overhead. We finally leave the canyon and enter the flat deserts of southern Utah. There's not as much to see here, so it's good timing for the sunset. We wind our way over the Wasatch Mountains in complete darkness, and a few hours later are rolling into Salt Lake City, Utah. I think we're just about there. I can see downtown. That could be the station. Certainly have a lot of tracks splitting off right here. Wow, what awful graffiti Salt Lake has. It says, loud. Considering it's under a highway bridge, I'm inclined to agree. I see the big Rio Grande sign on top of the old station. That almost looks like the start of a platform. Like a train station or something. The neon Rio Grande sign on the old station is still plainly visible as we arrive in Salt Lake City 45 minutes early. I hope you enjoyed Part 4 of the California Zephyr adventure. Even though we've arrived in Salt Lake City, this isn't the end of the adventure. The train was late on the way back due to a record-breaking blizzard on Donner Pass, so we got to see different scenery on the way back, so keep watching for those videos. If you missed the earlier parts of this series, be sure to check out the channel for those and more rail fanning content. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to let me know with a like, comment, or even a subscribe. And until next time, happy rail fanning.